Main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that. Put it in their face, it, they already mad. Disappear while I'm stacking, and they be like, where you been?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Chanté. And I'm back with another video. If you're new here, what's up with it? If you've been here, welcome back. Be sure to subscribe to me on Instagram and TikTok. Got a lot of fun things coming through and a lot of big changes coming down the pipeline. So definitely check the description box out for both those handles. So I'm really excited today to review with you guys. I already did the Curl Salve, but I actually got the full collection sent to me from Curl Smith, and this is their core strength shampoo, multitasking conditioner, and their Shape Up Aqua Gel. And then I'll also probably use the Curl Salve, which is like a bonding treatment, kind of like the Olaplex, which we reviewed. And if you want to see that video, check the description below, or maybe if I'm allowed to do that, put it in the cards above and you guys can find that out. So I'm excited because I just took out my braids, so my hair is looking a little bit cray-cray. I am a little bit on the annoyed side. Like, I feel like my hair should be back in final form. I cut it in December. Like, what's up? It's taking forever. My hair grows really fast, so it looks big, stretched out, but I'm sure it's gonna be like this big when I finish setting it and everything. This will probably be like this for like a week or two, and then I'm going back in braids because guess who doesn't like to do their hair? That's me. And again, please be sure to hit that like button and pass this video to 5 of your friends. Have it share with 5 of their friends so I can continue to grow my channel. I am so thankful for all of you who watch. Please be sure to keep a comment and just say hey and say what's up. Like the video, share it. It'll definitely help me get the algorithm and be reached by more people. So thank you guys so much. And without further ado, we're gonna go finish and get this do together. Okay guys, so here we are. I am in the shower and starting off with the Bond Curl Salve. It's already in my hair. As I mentioned, I already have oil, which I always try to start with an oil and deep conditioner. So my Bond Salve is my deep conditioner and curls on, eyelashes on fleek. I'm just rinsing out that Bond Curl Salve, and that I think is such a good product for your hair, just like bringing that moisture back. Like I mentioned before, if you're into Olaplex, this is really a great product for your hair, just bringing back that curl, that strength, and all those things. And I have a little bit of OCD, so I don't like if there's product on my face as I'm showering, so I continuously rinse my face after everything. But the curls are looking good. If you see bruises on my back, no one is beating me up in these streets. I got cupping done, so now I'm gonna go in with this curl strengthening shampoo on my hair, and this product here actually has a nice gel consistency, I will say. I thought that it spread really nicely on my hair. I always find that I have a hard time like moving shampoo around in my hair, so I always have to like apply it in sections. But as you can see, I'm like also finger detangling, which I do on a regular with my hair. Now for this video purpose, I definitely wash my hair back, like with my head back in the shower, but in my regular life I prefer to wash my hair upside down. As you can see, you'll see in some of like once I'm finished, the curls in the back are always on fleek because the pressure is a lot less on your hair. So that is a big thing that you guys should pay attention to, and making sure that you wash your hair upside down is a big thing. Constantly reaching to grab more, but you guys kind of like get the idea of this, just consistently scrubbing my hair. And I will wash my hair with this twice because I did have the braids in, so I want to make sure that none of that buildup is still in my hair. And that's very important to make sure like you're scrubbing your scalp. Now, I'm not scratching my scalp, but I am scrubbing it. And I am using my nails to like get that scrub going, but it's not scratching my scalp. It's just like, you know, stimulating it, keeping it moving and keeping it going. So that's like really important to ensure that you are doing that on your hair. So now you see, like I said, me going in this for a second time to wash out my hair, and we can speed that up a little bit. You can see the lather comes a little bit easier. It's already like been saturated and it's not as dry as from the beginning, so it's easier to like get that in there. So I just rinse all of that out of my hair, and you can see my hair is pretty silky. Now I haven't brushed it out. I could have like brushed it out if I wanted to, but usually I don't. So now I'm gonna go in with this multitasking conditioner, which if you read the label, it's also a leave-in, a repair, and a deep conditioner. Now it looks really thick, but when you actually dip your hands into it, it's actually a very, very creamy consistency, and I was really surprised at the texture of this. So I am now like raking this in my hair. It's all over my hair, and I just like to rake it through just to make sure it's like fully saturated all over. And I'm also incorporating water because water is our best friend when it comes to our curly hair. And although we think, no, I don't want to use water because it'll take the product out, actually no. I learned this from my stylist, it actually enhances what the product can do. And if you don't believe me, look at your products. 9 times out of 10, the first ingredient is water. And usually the first ingredient listed is the ingredient that has the most in it. Just like our detergents and all that, there's probably like 25% product and the rest is water. So it definitely helps boost up the curls. You can see me just finger combing all of that together. And I constantly keep doing it because I like to make sure that my hair feels soft. So I will leave this in for a little while. Okay, so I've left it in for a little while, and then I rinsed it out just a little bit, and I already went in with the Shape Up Aqua Gel. So that was pretty simple to do and add to my hair. We are still kind of really drippity, but I'm gonna dry off, and then I'll let you guys know what the results are after this. So yeah, we have used the Bond, the shampoo, the conditioner, and we also use their gel. So we'll see what it all intakes from there. So here we have our final look. Now bring it a little bit closer so you can see the curly whirlies, but I will say that this is really like the best it's looked in a long time. I didn't have to redo anything. It literally dried really nicely. I'm a little bit hesitant with this gel. I will say I didn't use my normal like leave-in and this gel. I just used this gel and left in some of the conditioner, and I still got good results. I was a little scared when I was sitting in the dryer. I was like, this is not gonna feel good. This is not gonna look good, but it actually does. So I can just go through the products right now with you guys. So the first product we use, I always like to start with the deep conditioner. That's just my way of doing things. I have an oil on to like work up all that buildup, especially because I had to build up from the braids. Then I go in with this deep conditioner, and if you want to see and hear my reviews on this, definitely check the description box for the review on this curl salve. Then I went in with the shampoo. Now this shampoo says that it is gentle shampoo for damaged hair, anti-buildup, strength, anti-breakage. Our strength recipes are like a workout for your curls, packed with superfoods. They are carefully designed to make your hair look stronger. It has prickly pear cactus, pumpkin seed oil, guava juice, wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, and shredded kale. Cruelty-free, no sulfates, no silicones, and vegan. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. I will say that this was only okay. I definitely wouldn't trade this out for my Function of Beauty shampoo, but this was interesting, and I think that if you need that like pick me up full surge, you'll definitely get that with this, where like the hair does feel strong, and if you're like going through some stuff, like my curls are definitely popping, and I need to figure out how to get like better coverage on camera to like see the curls, because you can see like my curls is there, but you know, I just need a little bit more shine, yeah. But this was only okay for me. I think that I like the fact that I have it in my arsenal now, because having all the products together so that way I can have a strengthening treatment with this whole line is really nice. I think that I will say that they all play really well together, and sometimes you get flakage, and literally no flakage with this whatsoever. All the time I get flakage, but sometimes it's not severe. There's literally no flakage with this combination, and my hair is really soft. It's not crunchy to the touch, so I enjoy that. Probably would only get like 2, maybe 3 day hair and then have to do it again, but definitely something to look into. Then the conditioner, which I mentioned in the video, it seemed like it was really solid. Actually, no, it's still solid in the container, but when you actually touch it, it's actually got like a more of like a creamy, milky consistency. And this is their multitasking conditioner, 3-in-1 conditioner. So leave-in. Oh, I don't read that when I put this in because, you know, I don't be reading. But it's a leave-in, a rinse out, or a deep conditioner. So I actually did like this product. I think that it didn't do, like, the shampoo definitely will leave your hair like stripped. I don't feel like this has enough moisture to put back in with that. I think it did a decent job, but for me, I want my hair to be like super juicy. When I washed this out, like I lightly rinsed it out, I just feel like it did give a little bit more juice. But while it was in my hair, I was like, I might need something else. And for this, I would 1000% put my hibiscus powder in this. I should have probably put that in the the Bond Salve, but I will definitely put this in for like another time. I'll put it in there because my hair loves hibiscus. And this is silky castor oil, hemp seed extract, pressed pumpkin seed. I don't even know how to say this. Babasu kernel oil, wild rice protein, and black currant juice. Black currant has a very, very potent smell, and this didn't give me that like distinct smell. If you haven't heard about black currant, it's very strong. So this is a 3-in-1 for damaged hair. Now I am not at the damaged state anymore, but for me, I think it's always good to use on my hair products that are for damaged hair, for moisturizing. I will say that I haven't got my hair cut since like December, and this like tapered situation that's going on is actually working for me. I will be in braids again, so this is great for like those in-between times. I'll probably use this again a couple more times just to see what my hair is thinking of it, and because it's strengthening, it's going to be great for those like transitional styles. Sometimes that can really damage your hair, so make sure that the person who's doing your hair isn't doing it too tight, and you use products that are strengthening. So definitely think this is a good buy. Now this here is their Shape Up Aqua Gel. Now it is very much true to the name. It is like water. When I first put it on, I was like, I don't know if this gonna work for me, but it ended up being fine. So this here is very lightweight. This has shiitake mushroom, juiced guava, hemp oil extract, black currant berry, wild rice protein, shredded kale. This has a 5 hold, which I would say that's a pretty decent and accurate number. It's not super strong. It does have somewhat of a hold, but it's not like get me body hold. So I think that this I like because it's watery consistency. This would probably fall into using, because it's clean beauty, it would fall into probably 3rd place, and 1st place would be my flaxseed, then 2nd would be my Inner Sense, and then this would come in, something that I would actually probably buy again. And I would definitely probably use this with more of a make sure I have a leave-in conditioner, or don't wash out so much of this product here, this multitasking conditioner, so that way it just gives it a little bit of a stronger hold. I think that was like really why it's a little bit lighter, is because I did wash out a lot of that conditioner. So this is my review on this Curl Smith products. Thank you so much, Curl Smith, for sending me these products. I have been dying to work with Curl Smith, and the fact that it came to me without me asking is just like God telling me that things are on the right track. So I'm so excited to be able to work with them on this, and I hope you guys enjoy. They have amazing, amazing products, and you guys should definitely check out this collection. For all my curly girls, you should definitely check out this brand. I have quite a few products from them, and some of them I like literally love and live by, and then some of them, you know, just not for my hair, and it wasn't for my hair at the time. My hair is definitely giving me different results from before I put the braids in. So my camera absolutely died, but I was on camera on my phone. But yeah, the curls look great, and that's my review on those products. Thank you again so much for Curl Smith for working with me. What a great collection this is. I was excited when it launched because having rice protein in any of your products, whether it be your shampoo, your conditioner, deep conditioner, and gel, is optimal because it's going to be great for hair growth. And then if you just stimulate your scalp with some tea tree, you will literally get results like no other. I consistently keep oils in my scalp and in my hair because it's very beneficial for your hair to grow, so definitely check that out. But that is my review on this brand. Definitely check this brand out, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know some of the products from Curl Smith that you guys are checking out and how you're transitioning back to getting your hair back to natural or healthy with your curly hair. So definitely check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.